Pretty good, man.
Well, here, Ross. Here.
No, I can't use that as monograph. You can't blow on your family crest.
No, I'm sorry, Fred.
Oh, I can't. Just made it.
You all right?
Yeah, but just a sneeze.
It must have been a beaut to blow off your socks and underwear. Oh, here, let me help you, Rob.
So that's what it's like today if you have to sneeze. You better get out of the way, because in your sneeze there's something that could be deadly and kill off the population. So try to get away from people when you sneeze, if you please. Thank you for watching.